Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and view your cumulative reports. So first log in with your username and password to your web portal, that is newindiaschool.prisms.in. You can also do this with your mobile phones using your Chrome browser as well. Once you log in, click on quiz report. Let the page load first. Okay, click on quiz report and first select the course. Now let's say I want to select class 8 geography. Then there's an option over here where you can see cumulative quiz report. So when you click on the Excel icon, you'll see a report over here and a report will be downloaded as well. Excel sheet will be downloaded as well. You'll see the names of the students. In front of every name, you'll see the quizzes that they have attempted and what they have scored and what were the total marks. So for each student, you can see all the MCQ quizzes that they have attempted, how much they have scored for each and how much were the total marks. Similarly, you can open the Excel sheet as well. And in Excel sheet also, you'll be able to see the names. If you want to search for any particular name, just click, do Ctrl F. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So if you want to search, you can find, do Ctrl F and you'll be able to see the names as well. So for example, over here I search for Rahul and I'm able to see that. You'll see a list of all the students. You'll see the class they are in. Then you'll be able to see all the quizzes that they have attempted. Let's say this particular child has attempted 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that way, if you want, you can increase the size as well, so that it's much easier for you to identify it. So that's how you'll be able to download, and you'll also be able to view the cumulative report in the portal as well. Thank you.